Hello everyone, welcome back again. I'm faculty Emmanuel from CapacityBay.org and I'm going to be your instructor for today's section. So in this section, we're going to be going over how to install Zoom software on your Windows operating system. So we're going to go with an easy method. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So I'm going to open up my Chrome browser right here. You can use any browser you want. So I'm going to go to the website called ninite.com. Right, I'm going to leave a link to this in the description below. So ninite.com. Right, I'll scroll down and you can as well choose any application you need. Right, so I'm going to be needing Zoom for now, this because that's the scope of this section. So I'm going to tick Zoom and I'll scroll down. Right, if you need any other thing here, right, tick it, and then you come down. You see we have download and run your custom installer. So click on get your Ninite. Now it's going to download automatically. You see the download is done, right? So click on it and it's going to open up the Ninite installer. Now what this Ninite installer does is it downloads the Zoom. Alright, it asks for us to allow this. Click on yes. Now the Ninite is going to download the Zoom, right, and install it for you. You don't have to install it yourself. Just go ahead and click this. It's as easy as that. Download the Zoom, install it for you, and you have your Zoom up and running. And that works with other applications on Ninite, right? So let's wait for it to complete, and then we're going to create an account, right? We're going to create an account with Zoom. Let's finish. All right, so you can see the status. It's installing right now. It's finished downloading it and it's installing it, right? So it's easy than you downloading the software and installing it yourself. So this is an easy way of getting this down on your PC. All right, so you can see status okay, finished. So I'm going to close it, and if I go to my search bar and I can search for Zoom, you can see the application right here. I'm going to open it up. Now you can see join a meeting, sign in, right? So we can actually join a meeting without signing in some cases, depending on the settings for the meeting you're trying to join. All right, so they can set the privacy settings that indicates that you must sign in before you join the meeting, right? But if you have the meeting ID and the meeting password, so let's click on join a meeting. So it asks you the meeting ID, right? So you input the meeting ID and you input your name. So for me, it's going to be faculty Emmanuel, right? And you leave this, you can turn off your video or you leave it on, turn that on. Then input the meeting ID, right? So they will provide the meeting ID for you and the password. So let's just say input right, and then I click on join. Now they will ask me for a password. Okay, for now this is an invalid meeting ID. So but if it was valid, they will ask you for a password. Now we can actually sign in. So if you already have a Zoom account, you click on enter your email, enter your password, and sign in. Right? If you don't have a Zoom account, you can click on the sign up button right here, and it brings you to this page. Right? It asks you for your accept cookies, your month of birth, so let's say October 1st, 1960. So you select your month of birth and then click on continue. Right? So it requests for your email address. So I'm going to input an email address here, which is email@capacitybay.org, and I click on sign up. So you input your email address. Now, activation email has been sent to me, right? So click on the confirmation link to log in. Now I'm going to pause this and go ahead and check my email and click on the activation link, and then I'll replay the video. All right, so I got my email and I got the activation link, which is this. So once you get your email, you can just go ahead and click the link. Right, so I have the link here. I'm going to hit enter. Now it's going to bring you to this page where you input your first name, last name, password. Right, so I'm going to input the first name, Emmanuel, last name, CapacityBay, right, and then password. I'm going to input the password. So you go ahead and input your password. And then confirm the password, input it again. Right, so leave this unticked for educators, leave this unticked and click on continue. Right, so this is in case you want to invite colleagues or anything, so we're going to leave this. I'm going to leave this and skip this step. So click on skip step. And then this is your personal meeting ID. So I'm going to click on go to account. So fine, I now have my account created, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to close this page, and then go back to my Zoom application right here. And I'm going to go ahead and input the email and the password I just created. So the email, mine is email@capacitybay.org, and the password, right? The password I created, I'm going to input the password. And I click on, I can tick this, keep me signed in, and I click on sign in. So that's going to verify me and sign me into my account, right? So now I am in my account, right? I have Zoom installed, I have created an account, and I'm logged on. So that will be the end of this section. If you have any questions, drop that in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when we drop a new video, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. See you in the next video. Thank you.